have for you. Thank you for liking, sharing, and subscribing to my channel. I honestly so appreciate it, as my main objective is to empower, to inspire, to share knowledge with all of you. Also, check me out on Instagram down here. I'll leave the link down below for my profile, where I literally post daily pictures and videos on fashion, makeup, wigs, and all the upcoming videos that I'll be making. With that, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down here, as well as little bell, so you are notified when I upload videos every single week. So as of today, I have 71 days left on this journey. Oh my gosh, I have been doing so good since my entire first journey from January 2nd of kicking the habit and now rolling into this. And honestly, it feels so good. So one thing I did concentrate on last week, first of all, was keeping to my numbers, and I did. And then the other thing I was adding in was a day or two of intermittent fasting. So I actually only ended up doing one day, and honestly, I didn't even really do it correctly. Yes. So on Mondays at my work, which was the day that I did it because I figured it would be the easiest, it is the busiest day at my work. So I literally went the entire day without eating anything, like literally the entire day. I actually only ate one meal that day, and that was literally at, I believe, 8 p.m. So that's what I did. So I had only one meal that day, which is also another form of like kind of fasting, is doing one meal a day. I didn't really do as my plan of the intermittent of getting everything in there, only because literally I only was able to eat one meal because I literally go to bed at 9 p.m. Yes, I do. The next day, after doing that one meal, naturally, I felt really like slim. I felt good, which is, I'm sure, natural because I only had one meal for the day. But for the fact of knowing that it's such a great amplifier of the keto journey. So I can honestly feel that from that. I don't know if you know too much about fasting, but when we are fasting, since we are mammals and what we're trained to do with our brain, that if we are hungry, we actually have way more concentration than if we were eating, because we are in search of food. I first was naturally really hungry, like around 1 and 2 o'clock, but I was so busy, and then after like literally I reached the 3 p.m., I felt like I had all this energy and I was not hungry one bit. In fact, when I did end up eating at like 8 p.m., I wasn't even really hungry, which was really crazy because I was so like jacked up. I'm really liking that. All that information is down below in regards to what I'm eating. For this coming week, as I only did one day of the intermittent fasting, I'm gonna definitely try to do 2 days. For me, it was really just about planning, and I didn't really plan out 2 days. I just thought it would just come, and then it didn't. So until it was Monday, and I was like, oh my God, I haven't done an intermittent fasting. But overall, everything is great. I still feel like the amount of food I'm eating is perfect. Until I start like maybe stepping up my game with exercise, I'll probably increase it. But of course, what I really want to know is if you're experimenting with fasting, intermittent fasting, or a one meal a day. I want to know how you're all doing it and your experiences and what suits you best. Because it's all about learning from everyone and also empowering each other to be the best that we can be. Because everyone's journey is their own journey, and all we can do is lift others up on their journey, because they're going through it just as much as we're going through it as well. So why not just radiate with that positivity and just make the world a better place, right? Yes, 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 yes. So I want to thank you all, because remember, when you are treating yourself like number one, you're not only doing yourself a favor, but the entire world a favor. So let's live our best life one day, one meal, or one fast at a time. And I want to thank you, and we will see